OpenFaceR uses a routine inspired by the tidyverse for transforming raw input into tidy datasets. I will start explaining you with the help of our virtual assistant Jenny how the routine works. You don't need to use this routine every time, but is a very useful actually model for getting very quickly from raw input to tidy output. Please, Jenny, tell us more about the OpenFaceR routine.
Do you remember the spirit of OpenFaceR? To transform a raw input of videos into a tidy dataset in which each row represents a video, and each column represents a property of the observed facial expressions. OpenFaceR uses a routine of 6 steps to transform raw videos into tidy output. First, we will need to transform videos into CSVs using OpenFace. OpenFaceR function get_commands produces the codes to paste in the command prompt. Secondly, we must read the CSV and import them into our OpenmFace's format. Third, we can filter the datasets, for example, excluding frames with no visible face. Fourth and fifth, we can create and select the features we care about. Finally, we use the tidy_face function for summarizing the features and obtaining our tidy dataset. In the following 2 videos, Dr. Cannata will show you how to go through these 6 steps in detail.